getting ready to use bulk hair, and what are you going to do is cut off the rubber band. Bulk hair is the hair that comes without the weft. And you are going to make sure that you keep control of the hair while you separate it. The beauty about Brazilian knot is that you can control the amount of hair that you put on each strand. For example, I'm going to do smaller strands on this first row. And you can do 1-on-1 ratio for the first row, or depending on the client's hair, how thin the hair is, how thick the hair is. And in the area where, when you start doing the second row, you can do 1-to-2 ratio. So you can put a bigger amount on each strand. The way that you keep separating the hair, remember to keep control. You separate with this hand, and you keep holding the hair. Separate it, clean it out, and you put it on the table. You can do this ahead of time, so it can save you time when you restore. And now we are going to proceed to the side.